Now this, if you are a lawmaker in California and you oppose gun rights, a federal judge says you can have your home address published for all to see. Judge Andrew Napolitano is here. Have I got that right? I don't know the mechanics behind it.
Well, the mechanics are actually important because the legislature voted to allow their names to be removed from all publications.
And the judge says,
you can't do that.
You can't do that.
If you know where I live and I'm a public official, it is a truthful statement to publish my name. So what did they want? They wanted to insulate themselves from the wrath of the voters by hiding their names and contact information from the voters.
Well, wait, the wrath of the voters should be felt at the ballot box, not at your private home.
Well, that's not what the federal judge ruled. The federal judge ruled if you want to know where this person lives, whether to pick it in their home or to send them mail, you have the right to know it, and they don't have the right to keep truthful information out of the marketplace. It is a matter of truthful information.
I think it's a matter of security.
Well, you would have voted with all these lefties in the legislature then.
I would not necessarily vote with the lefties.
Promise not to reveal your name and your address and your contact information on air.
I don't think that the names and the addresses of lawmakers should be put out there in public on contentious issues like this.
Here's why there's an issue there. They were already out there. This was not a matter of not putting them out. It was a matter of pulling them back. You can't get your personal information off the internet. These people wrote a law that prohibited all internet service providers that do business in California, which is all of them, from retaining that information just about them, just about the ones that voted against the legislation. You still think that legislation was fair?
No, you're bringing me around to your point of view, as you often do.
Well, you see, the First Amendment, I know you don't have that on the other side of the pond, but the First Amendment prohibits the government from discriminating against ideas on the basis of the content of the idea.
So we've got to live with this. California people, they've just got to live with
this. This is not a question of judicial activism. This is a question of the judge saving the Constitution.
The left
will be ravages of the lefties in the California legislature.
The left will now be encouraged to picket the private homes of lawmakers who disagree with them.
I'm sure it will go the other way around, yes. But there is one thing...
No, it won't. No, it won't. It won't go the other way around.
No, I mean,
people on the right do not picket the private homes of people they disagree with. The left does that.
That's what the lefties are worried about, that people on the right will picket their homes. But you're right, it is typical of the left that pickets it. But I will applaud the California legislature, personally, publicly, and without end, when they vote to secede from the Union.
Oh. All right, Judge, your time's up.
All right, see you later.
We'll see you in the 11 o'clock hour, and that's a fact. All right, we have...